In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Alipay and CNY using Wise. If you need to send money quickly and clearly through Wise, this process is very straightforward once you know what details to prepare in advance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full flow so you know exactly what to enter, what to check, and what to confirm before completing the transfer. To begin, log into your Wise account and go to the Send Money option. This is where you'll start creating the transfer. Once you're in, you'll be asked to enter the amount you want to send in your own currency. Take a moment here to make sure you're entering the correct amount, especially if you're working within a budget or sending a precise payment. Next, set the recipient currency to CNY, which is the Chinese yuan. This step is important because it tells Wise the currency your recipient should receive. You'll usually be able to see the exchange rate, along with an estimate of how much the recipient will get after conversion. It's a good idea to look over those details carefully so there are no surprises. After that, choose Alipay as the payment or payout option. This makes sure the money is routed to the recipient through their Alipay account rather than another delivery method. Selecting the correct payout method is essential, so double check that Alipay is the option shown before moving on. You'll then need to enter the recipient's details. Type in the recipient's name exactly as required and then add their Alipay ID. This can usually be either their phone number or their email, depending on how their Alipay account is set up. Accuracy matters a lot at this stage, so it's worth pausing to verify the information before continuing. Even a small mistake in the recipient details could delay the transfer or cause it to fail. Finally, review the fees and the payment details shown by Wise, then complete the payment for the transfer. This is your last chance to confirm everything, including the amount you're sending, the recipient currency, the payout method, and the recipient information. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and pay for the transfer to send the money, and that's it. That's how to send money to Alipay in CNY using Wise. If you follow each screen carefully and double check the recipient details before paying, the process should be smooth and simple from start to finish.